Turning a traditional key into the convenience of keyless entry can completely change how you experience your car. This genuine OEM factory remote is designed to deliver that upgrade with the same quality, reliability, and safety standards you would expect from the manufacturer. If you want a solution that works exactly as intended, this original equipment remote is the right choice. Because this is a true OEM part, it offers an exact fit and seamless compatibility with supported Honda vehicles. There is no guesswork, no modification, and no compromise in performance. The materials and internal components are built to last, delivering durability that aftermarket alternatives often fail to match. From button response to signal reliability, everything feels solid and consistent. One of the most appreciated features is the factory safety logic. With a single press, only the driver's door unlocks, helping enhance personal safety when entering the vehicle. Press the button a second time and all doors unlock, providing convenience when passengers are with you. This is the same behavior programmed by Honda from the factory, giving you confidence that the system works exactly as designed. Installation and programming are straightforward for compatible vehicles, and many owners are surprised by how easy it is to add factory keyless entry to models that did not originally include it. Owners of vehicles such as the Honda Element often highlight how quickly this remote transforms daily use, adding modern convenience without altering the car's original character. This is not an aftermarket substitute and not a reproduction. It is an OEM-only part, built to Honda quality standards and tested to ensure proper operation. Choosing a genuine factory remote helps avoid common issues such as weak signal range, inconsistent unlocking, or premature failure that can come with non-OEM options. If you want dependable keyless entry that installs cleanly and works exactly the way Honda intended, this genuine OEM remote is a smart investment. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and see current pricing, and subscribe to the channel to discover more original equipment upgrades that add real convenience and value to your vehicle.